fish. I know he did. Thank you.
How do you do that little one? How do you do that little one?
Luna, are you talking? Are you talking? Hey, Luna.
Dad, how do you do that?
Luna.
That little one.
Luna.
How do you do that little
Luna.
What do you mean? I don't know.
That little one.
What are you thinking about? Oh, your bone? Hey, Eric, grab her bone under the couch, please. She wants it. Eric. Hey, Eric, look at the dog. She wants her bone under the couch. Luna, wow, 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 wow. Right under here. Thank you. I thought it was under the couch. Is it not under there?
No.
Luna. Hi. How are you? Are you honking? Are you honking? What is it that you want? Did you just burp? Do you smell something cooking in the kitchen, Luna? Yes, you do. You smell fish? So there's fish in there. I smell it. Both. Both. Both.
Retreat. Retreat. He always does that. Could you want to treat it? You want to treat it? You want to treat it? That was looking for one of these, and it was hit in my hand, and I didn't even know this was in my hand. Look at Dad's.
Wow, that's pretty cool. Isn't that cool?
Sit. Down.
Andres, you left the remote on the floor in here.